Now, let's check out these two questions. And the first one, simplify square root of 72 a raised to power 3 b raised to power minus 2 divided by 2 a raised to power 5 and b raised to power minus 6. Then the other one, 8 raised to power s equals to 32. That means for me, I want to find s. Now, let's start with this first. And the first we need to do is to break down this expression. So it will become this. Right? 72 divided by 2. That will be 36. And from the law of indices, now we have this. If you have a raised to power 3 and a raised to power 5 here, they have a common base. And remember, this is division. Division becomes subtraction. So it will be a raised to power 3 minus 5. Then same thing here, you have b raised to power minus 2 minus, we have minus 6 here, that will be minus 6. So this becomes square root of 36 a 3 minus 5, that will be minus 2. That is plus 3 minus 5, the minus 2. Then we have b minus 2 minus minus 6. This minus and minus will become plus. So it will be 4. And the square root of 36 is what? So we have 6. We have a. Now remember, if you have something like this, root of a is the same thing with a is 1 over 2. So that means for me, this should be a is minus 2. Now I have this 1 over 2. The same thing will be 4, then 1 over 2. So this becomes 6. So we have to be a is minus 1 and b is 2. And this will be the expression. And for this other side, so we have 8 raised to power s equals to 32. Now we can express this 8 and 32 in the power of 2. So this becomes 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So we see how this is to be 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. So from here, we have 2 raised to power 3s to be equals to 2 raised to power 5. And the base can cancel each other. So we have 3s to be equals to be 5. And your s will be 5 divided by 3, and which is 1 over 2 over 3. And we also have this for the expression too.